Good morning, students. Okay, today we're going to be having a really cool lesson. Does anyone remember reading this book? Yeah, super cool book. And we are going to learn about comparing and contrasting. Does anyone know what it means to compare something?
Sometimes I think comparing is like looking at something that might have the same traits.
Yeah, same traits. So, can someone give me an example of two things that are the same and different?
And different. Maybe like a cat and a dog.
A cat and a dog. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do a Venn diagram.
It's a Venn diagram.
I'm going to show you. So you're going to draw a circle and another circle over it. And these are the things that are going to be the same. And then these two are going to be different. So we said cat and dog. So what is something that you see in a cat?
A cat meows.
Yeah, they meow. If a cat meows, then what does a dog do? Joe?
Dog barks.
Dogs bark. What is something that you see on a cat that's different than a dog?
A cat has yellow eyes.
But can a dog also have yellow eyes?
Oh, maybe.
So maybe eyes could be something that's similar.
Oh. Okay, so a cat has fur balls.
Okay, cat has fur balls. What is something about a dog that's different than a cat?
It has nails, not claws.
Has nails. Let's think of one more for each.
A cat has whiskers, but a dog also has whiskers.
So that's something that is
Similar.
similar.
Cat and dog both have 4 legs too.
They both do. There's lots of similarities. How are cats and dogs different than each other?
Cats use a litter box.
Good. And do dogs use a litter box?
They go outside.
They go outside. Okay, so now that we know that cats and dogs can be the same, but they're also different, we are going to use the main characters from the story, Last Stop on Market Street. So, does anyone remember the main two characters in the story?
CJ
Mm-hmm.
and Nana.
And Nana. So, what is something you remember about CJ?
CJ was a boy.
He was a boy. If he was a boy, then what was Nana?
Nana was a woman.
Woman. What's something else about CJ? Jeff?
CJ was short.
He was short. Yes, Emma.
CJ was also very curious.
He was really curious. He asked a lot of questions. Do you remember that on the bus?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I remember that Nana always had an answer.
Yeah.
She seemed like she knew a lot of things. What is that called when someone knows a lot of things?
What do you think?
Like my grandma says, wise maybe.
She was wise. That's a
Wise.
really good character trait. Okay, can we think of one more for CJ and Nana? Maybe one more for Nana.
Well, Nana was tall.
Nana was tall. Okay, so they're pretty different, right?
Mhm.
What are some things that you remember of them being the same? They're two different people, but there are some things that they can be the same.
In the end, when they were helping in the soup kitchen, so that means that they were both helpful.
They are so helpful. What else were they? What do you remember from the story?
That they were both family.
They were in the same family. So why is it very important to talk about differences and similarities in a story?
Because it's important to know that it's to be different, and that each person has different traits for a certain reason.
Right, and CJ and Nana were two different people, but there are some things that make them similar, like they were both family.
Right.
Very good job, students.